Hey guys, this is Lay. I know this is going to be like a very different video, but I did want to make it. I'm not sure if I will upload it, but definitely I wanted to document this moment because it's a very special day for me because today I get my filming camera. So hopefully this will be the last video that I do with my phone, and yes, I'm very excited to show you guys what camera this is. So let's get started. So I literally just got this about 10 minutes ago, and the 10 minutes was so that I could just, you know, put on my eyebrows and put on some lip gloss so I don't look too scary. I don't know why I'm feeling so nervous about this. I don't know, I'm feeling fun today. So yes, let us unbox this baby. It's this huge box right here, and I have my trusty box cutter. I'm not even sure if you'll be interested to watch this, but just the same, I did want to share it with you. I don't have a lot of subscribers, but I'm very happy with what I have right now. I do want to remember this moment when I have about 100 videos, and yeah, I think it's just kind of nice to look back on this moment. So without further ado, I just removed the air plastic, and this is what's inside. There's a lot in there because I did get like a kit. So this is just, I think this is like a desk tripod, so that's nice. Just gonna throw it on the floor and hope you don't mind. Memory card. I also have a flash. Yeah, so it's like a digital flash. I'm not gonna throw that one. This one, I'm not so sure. If you know what this is called, let me know in the comment section. And I also have this, I don't know, this is supposed to be for the lens, I would say. I've never really been like a gadget or a techie kind of person, so this is very new to me. I just wanted to tell you that this is a filter kit. So it comes with like 3 different colors if I wanted to, you know, add effects to my pictures. This is a tripod. Finally, a decent tripod. If you guys can see my filming setup right now, it looks really funny. I'm actually using my tower electric fan as my tripod, so that's where my camera phone is. And this is just the bag. So something that's good to have. Let's see how it looks. So very compact bag. There. So I think this is for like the camera itself, and probably for an extra bigger lens, which I don't have because this is really just a basic kit. And last but not least is the camera itself. This is, as you can see, the Canon M50. I did do a lot of research on which camera is, you know, very beginner friendly, and I saw a lot of different options, but I did decide on getting this one because I heard that Sony is a bit notorious when it comes to, you know, a lot of pages. Again, I'm not very techy, so I need like the simplest, best performing camera that I can get. The less complicated, the better for me. So that's what's inside. This is just a very thick manual, which I will most definitely not read. And this is like the warranty sheet. It comes with the camera. Oh, I also got the one with the strap, so you know, I can just hang it around my neck. And this one is, I believe, the battery. I don't have any extra batteries right now, but you know, maybe I can get one in the future. I believe this is the charger. There it is. I think this is the lens by the shape of it. Yes, this is definitely the lens. As you can see, it's really small. It's not like the big ones that you see professional photographers carry. But I do like this one. I think this will be good enough for filming and for taking pictures. And this is the body of the camera. It's so tiny. I like it so much because I don't really like carrying around a huge bulky camera because I know I would just end up not taking it with me. So this is how it looks. So I'm not really gonna do a review on this because I know I will fail terribly in giving you like a quality review. I did just want to show you, this is how it looks. So there you go. So let's see if I can attach the lens. I don't even know how to do it. Here, give me a moment. So I believe you kind of just screw it in there like so. Oh, and I heard the click, so I think I did the right thing. And then there's this cute lens cap. I kind of wish that I got this before I filmed my next video because that is going to be like a how-to video. So that's pretty much it for this video. I'm just really excited about this one and I wanted to share it with all of you who has supported my channel in the past 6 weeks. I know it hasn't been that long, but I'm very happy. Let's just put it that way. Like, I can't wait to play with this one and use it for filming and taking, you know, beautiful pictures that I can post on my Instagram as well. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.